In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Solana wallet address using the Kraken phone application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, I will leave my referral link and invite code on the description below, where you can get from 20 to 100 euros just by creating your account, doing your first deposit and a trade, which is very simple. You can just trade from one crypto to another, and this way you will get a bonus. As you can see, this is all the money I got from referral codes, and this is just the money I got on the last week. So for example, my last referral got more than 100 euros and it's completely free, and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want some extra money, you can create your account using the link in the description below. So firstly, go to explore at this tab at the middle, and then you need to go to the top search field right here. So just click there and search for Solana. Now you will see the crypto, and if you click, you should find the deposit button as well. So if you click here, you will see some simple instructions. For example, you can only deposit Solana from the Solana network. There is also a small minimum deposit amount. The processing time for this crypto is less than a minute. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending in smaller amounts first. So if you understand everything, just click the I understand button. And now you should see your Solana deposit address, and you will also see a QR code which you can scan to directly deposit money to this wallet. So if you copy this address, you can just send money from any other crypto platform or any other wallet, and you can also send this address to anyone so they can send you Solana directly to your Kraken wallet. So that's it. That's how you can find your Solana deposit address on the Kraken phone application. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.